Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Olive Garden chicken gnocchi soup. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have my gnocchi. It's store-bought. These are Italian dumplings for those that might not be, familiar. Here I have some chicken broth. I have heavy whipping cream. I'll be using some chicken tenders, but feel free to use any part of the chicken that you prefer. I also have some spinach, carrots, onions, garlic, and some celery. I'll be using some thyme, rosemary, and parsley for my herbs. And I have some flour. For the seasoning, I have some seasoned salt, garlic and herb seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some mushroom seasoning. So to season my chicken, I added some oil, and I'll be using some paprika, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and some complete seasoning. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Now to my preheated pots, I will add some oil. Once the oil heats up, we will go in with that chicken and allow the chicken to cook thoroughly all the way through. Once the chicken is fully cooked, we'll now go in with our aromatics, the carrots, herbs. We will give everything a good stir and allow to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will add some butter, make a well in the middle, allow that butter to melt. Once it melts, we will go in with the flour. Allow the flour to cook for about a minute or two, just cooking away the raw taste, and then we will proceed to add our chicken broth. Once the chicken broth is added, give it a good stir, and then we will add our seasoning to add flavor and taste. Please remember you can use any seasoning of your choice and season to your own preference. We will allow everything to come up to a simmer before adding the rest of the ingredients. Once everything comes up to a boil, we will now add our gnocchi or the dumplings. Give it a good stir, cover, and allow to go for about 5 to 8 minutes. Once they float up to the tops, that's how you know they are done. Lastly, we will add our spinach. Spinach don't take a long time to cook. So I added it, and as you see me stirring here, I did not speed up the video or slow it down. This is in real time. The spinach is done, guys. Once it wilts, it's done. You don't want to overcook them to cook away the nutrients. Lastly, we will add our heavy whipping cream. At this point, you should have the heat turned off. Add the cream, give it a stir, and that's basically it. The soup is so simple and easy, and it took roughly about 15 minutes with 10 minutes cook time, a total of 25 minutes. And that's it. I hope you all give this recipe a try. It was so delicious. Now, as it cools down, it gets even thicker than this. So you don't want to, make it too thick in the beginning because it will thicken up some more. I served it up with some garlic bread and we enjoy this. It is super cold over here right now, so these comfort foods are perfect. Like I said, give the recipe a try. Let me know what you think, and I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.